And this is what we're doing with the Jeep. These are the side panels. We're gonna build all this stuff today. Start doing the fabrication. Heidi's gotta pick up some sheet metal. But we have like holes in it like this, in the side panels. And then we're just gonna replace all this stuff and repair it. You can see the floors are completely rotted out. So doing the new floors and these panels here. The frame's all completely redone and painted. It's been sitting here for a little bit. Just waiting for the customer to get on this thing. So we're gonna start hauling ass on this thing today. And I think you'll be surprised how fast it goes together. I'll keep you updated. So this thing's trashed. Let's see how bent. Did you cut it out? So I gotta straighten this guy. See how bad it's bent. Huh? Trying to get all this crap cleaned up, parts pulled off. Camera's wrecked now. Huh?
I'll move your phone.
What's Jay working on?
Drumstick.
Drumstick?
Big metal drumstick.
That's what it looks like. What are you doing to this thing?
Rear end. Taking it apart.
So this guy has to be done in 30 days. So we get all these parts put together, and there's the rest of the pile over there. But you'll see us doing a bunch of metal fab and stuff like this right here. Getting all this stuff put together, building panels and whatever. But I'll keep you guys updated. Gotta clean up the shop too. It's starting to get crappy. Get it?
No.
Why not?
Big calls.
What about now?
I don't know. Maybe in 10 days.
We don't have 10 days.
You just said we had 40 days. Then a minute ago you said we had 30 days.
It's getting, time
Tonight
is
we'll
going.
have 20 days.
Yeah, tonight will be like 19.
It'll go quick though. Quicker than
It'll go quick. 40 days goes fast. Rusty, Minnesota, rusty. Everything takes forever to take apart. Even the brake lines, try to take those off, they break in half. Now who's here? Who knows? Got anything to say?
Get to work.
I'm busy filling you.
Bring me a burrito. If you're out there listening.
If you guys are listening, Jay wants a burrito. Maybe Glenn could send you one from Australia. It'd be one of those noisy plick burritos.
Noisy plick.
Oh, it'll be noisy afterwards, huh? All right, back to work. Thanks for watching. This is what we got going on. This is a complete 48 Willys Jeep restoration. We got to have it done in 20 days. The new motor, just had it rebuilt, transfer case, everything's painted. We're putting the body together right now. This body was like, I'll show you how much rust was in this thing, bro. That's all the rust we cut out of it. There's like nothing left almost. Here's the floors. And then the other body panels right there, we gotta fix those rust spots like that, but it's gonna be a fight to the finish. So we got the frame all done. We're waiting on the new tires today so we can paint the rims and get those put together. All new brakes, brake lines, bushing, shims, everything. New radiator. That way they don't have any cooling problems. Everything looks all professional and nice. Brakes are bled, brand new shocks. It steers nice, stops nice, everything like that. New motor, and then, rebuilt motor. And then new clutch, bearings, throwout bearings, all the little bushings and everything in the transmission. Getting that all put together. And then we got the drag car in here, getting that thing painted, getting the body prepped on that. Caleb's been working his ass off on that thing, getting all the stickers and everything pulled off, getting it sanded and prepped. Jason's been standing around with his thumb in his ass. You done anything today?
Piss off.
God, you're grouchy.
I pissed off the wall.
And then
Multitask.
Jay's been putting Clecos in the Jeep body, getting it all prepped and ready so we can get the new panels on, new floor, and then these are getting all fixed, repaired, the side panels and whatever, and this is the original cowl off this thing. That way, you know, the customer gets a Jeep back that's hers and not a million new pieces. It's turning out nice. Body should be done by tomorrow. See what happens. Caleb's pulling this piece of crap apart, pulling the motor, transmission, rear end, and you sound real good this morning. What the hell? But he's getting the doors, fenders, hood, all this stuff pulled off this thing. Motor and tranny should be out hopefully today, if he hurries up. But the front clip, like I said, that's coming off, and then the car's going over to the junkyard. So after we get the motor and tranny out of this thing, so this is for the unibody project. The motor and tranny will be rebuilt, so it'll be pretty cool. Busy. I'll try to give some more shop updates as soon as I got time. Got anything to say?
¿Cómo te llamas?
Later.
You done yet?